Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 54 of the Microsoft Word tutorial series, and today we're going to see how to create macros inside of Microsoft Word. So to insert macros you need to enable the developer mode right here. So go into File right here, go to Options right here, go into Customize Ribbon and enable Developer. So once I do that, I'm going to press OK and you can see the developer option right here. So what I want to do is I want to assign a key so that I can record a macro. So I'm going to go into the record macro section right here, simply click here and I can name the macro. I'm going to name it to tutor, T-U-T-O-R, tutor tube right here, and then you can see that I can assign it to a button or a keyboard right here. So by default it's assigned to all the documents. So I'm going to leave that as a default so I can actually use the macro in other documents as well. So I'm simply going to press keyboard and over here you can see that I can actually apply this. So now I'm going to press Control, Shift and R, and you can see that this shortcut has already been taken for tool word count recount. So that's not something I can use. I'm going to press backspace right here. So I'm going to press something else like Control Alt and G, and you can see that this is unassigned. So I can assign this and you can see that the current keys has been assigned. So simply close this out. So I'm simply going to rename this as a simple text. So I'm going to say this is going to be my footer. So I'm going to say thank you for subscribing to TutorTube, just like this. Alright. So I'm going to say TutorTube like this. Alright. So I want to assign this into center. I want to make sure that the macro records it. So I'm going to center align this once again. And over here in the developer options, I'm going to say stop recording. And now once I press the shortcut key Control Alt and G, you can see that that actually appears. So I can press it how many times as well. So suppose I'm typing something, I'm going to press enter, Control Alt G, and that is actually inserted. And it's not copying and pasting, it is there, always there. I can also assign macros to buttons, and to do that you simply go to record macros right here, simply say assign button right here. I'm not gonna bother renaming it this time, so I'm going to go to button right here, and you can see that this is the macro button. So I can simply add it and you can see that the button will appear over here once I press OK. So I want to modify this as well, so I can select the icon of my choice. So I'm going to say this one, press OK, and you can see that the arrowhead is the button right now. I'm going to press OK and you can see the button and you can see that it has started recording. So I'm going to say welcome to TutorTube, just like this. And I'm going to center align this as well. So go to Home, center align this, developer mode, and stop recording. So once I do that, you can see that if I press this, the welcome to TutorTube actually appears, and if I were to press Control Alt and G, the thank you for subscribing to TutorTube will actually appear just like that. And you can see that the macro is a very helpful way to keep track of text and any other formatting options that you want. So it actually records everything that you do on Word, so you don't have to keep on repeating the task again and again. So that is how you can create macros inside of Microsoft Word. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.